Hey everybody, this is Ketogenic Jim. I just wanted to kind of stop and make this video real quick. I got a couple minutes, so I just wanted to kind of give you guys a little bit of my backstory, just to kind of get on the level with you guys and just tell you where I'm coming from. Um, Essentially, I'm 27 years old. I was born in Tampa, Florida. My family was in construction, and essentially the rough and tumble construction type. Wake up. Everybody's about 6 feet tall. Everybody's a couple 100 pounds and not really athletic, but quite strong. That type of build. And basically, get up in the morning, get some coffee, go to the gas station, get some fuel, go into the gas station, get a bottle of pop and a candy bar. That was pretty much breakfast if you didn't stop at McDonald's for breakfast. Basically, the routine was that, and for me, it went into not just every morning, but it went into pretty much every time I went into a gas station. And it fueled a depression that I had. It didn't create a depression, it just exacerbated it. And I had a lot of skin problems when I was younger, and I had a lot of intestinal problems, stomach issues, which is relatively common. But the main part, looking back now, it was all in my diet. That's pretty much it. So when I hit 16, I lost about 35 or 40 pounds just from liking the sport of boxing, finding a boxer's diet plan and doing what he did when he was munchy or wanted snacks, which was peanut butter and toast. And that was really the routine I did. I did a little bit of running, did heavy bag, speed bag, and that type of thing. I lost about 40 pounds, which was quite good. I was probably the healthiest I'd been up until that point. From there, that was during the winter. I lost the 40 pounds, and then the next summer, that went out the window because I had to work. So when I was working, I wasn't really exercising, and then I got married and got really good food, and I gained more weight just by getting married, which pretty much that's a common thing. And basically, the depression never went away, the stomach issues never went away, the skin problems never went away. And what happened was about two and a half years ago, I was at 270 pounds, and I didn't really change anything. I looked at myself and I really just wanted to, I don't know. I just felt like I looked at myself and there really wasn't anything I could do. I'm not working hard enough. I don't have time to exercise more than what I am doing. So I'm kind of stuck in this position. But I started looking, kind of mindlessly, just looking around, what do bodybuilders do? What do they eat? How do they do it? And, what happens if you just don't eat? What happens if you starve? What state does your body get into? And that's when I started looking into ketosis and ketogenesis and, ketoacidosis and all of those keto things. And it just clicked with me. I started out every day having pretty much chicken and broccoli or hamburger and cheese. That pretty much was it. And I lost 70 pounds doing that. But during that whole way, I was learning so much stuff about the ketogenic diet. And it's amazing the lies that we've been told and the health benefits that you can provide yourself with this diet. It is unbelievable how much you can change your body. And it's not just the 70 pounds that I lost, but it's unbelievable mental strength. I mean, that's the only way I can really call it, is mental strength. It's mental, everyone says mental clarity, but I not only do I think clearer, but I can think a lot sharper, my intestinal problems, my stomach problems went away pretty much within about 2 months. Depression is gone. Whether you want to say that's from the weight loss, and I feel so much better because I can move around easier, which may be true, but I think there was a lot of impurities that was in my body that went away with the weight, and that was what helped the depression leave. So I don't feel the same, and it's not all in the I don't want to do something. It's in my brain. There's things that happened in my brain that make me now say, okay, these things are actually possible. So that's pretty much it. I need to start going now, but basically I just wanted to make this video to kind of get on the level with some people. A couple of my clients have kind of wanted me to give them basically my background, and I think it'd be better to me to actually just post it up for you guys. So I really appreciate you watching, and yeah, thanks for the time, and hopefully speak to you guys soon. You have a great night.